Fuck that EGR. Let's go.
Alright.
That's it.
There we go. How about that?
I'll come back in 10 minutes.
Crusty.
Ah, no, but it's hot. Fuck. Yeah, crust is gone. Brand new.
It's coming. I think I have to take this off first.
Yep.
I need a crescent wrench or something. It's a dirty bitch right there.
Oh, well. Check the crust.
That works good. Oh, it smells like ass though.
Yeah, just kind of smell like butt cheeks. Pray to God you don't drop that shit. Don't drop that shit.
Damn, it's like one of those like some shift feet. These guys right here. I might have to go online and check this out.
Go on the interwebs.
Yeah.
Fucking snap rings.
Pretty good, right? Yeah. It's got the big shit off.
Bring it over.
How the other side come? Oh shit. Like that, right? It's kind of big.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that twice.
Yeah.
Make sure it won't. Yeah, perfect middle. Alright. Glad you're half and half.
Oof, how dirty that shit is.